I can't believe I'm already saying it, but it's day 5 of 5 of the rally raid in Portugal with Dacia. This is gonna sound so simple, but one of my favorite traits of the Dacia, I don't have any hands available and the car will unlock by itself. Voila. When I say favorite traits, there's more to the car, but it's these simple things that just make life as a driver, car owner, whatever, so much simpler. I don't think I've touched the key once since I took over this car for this week. Very convenient. Luckily I know where the key is, otherwise giving back the car tomorrow morning would be complicated. Also, quick information or nice note, the boot of the car is massive for the fact that it is a Dacia and it's quite the compact SUV. I have a massive suitcase here and the smaller suitcase here, but easily you can see you could fit 2 massive suitcases and you'd still have some space in the front there. So that's a nice space concept of that car. Good morning. You good?
Yes.
Good. Every single time when I want to put the camera back, I need to, you know, stop.
To put my slot.
Yeah, but then the camera is always in the same space.
Yeah, it's better to fall and then you relocate. That's the most. Yeah. Okay, I understand.
Yeah, she's not doing well either. Look,
You prefer to do
she's all,
following you.
she's dirty, she has like scratches everywhere.
Poor thing.
Telling you. I need to clean her.
That's more interactive with the audience. When the camera falls and then you pick up, and then you are like,
Oh no, it fell again. While I spent some time in the media center, the last proper stage took place. We will have one more power stage or something like that. I'm not quite sure if that's the right name. Stage was really successful for Dacia, but meanwhile, the tent is gone again and everything is packed up already because today's the last day. And after this, everyone is going home. And this just goes to show the logistics behind all of this are insane. Building up, building down, building up, building down, going from A to B, and having this proper plan, this proper schedule. There's someone in the team who's responsible for that as well. It is just another aspect of this sport that adds to the uniqueness of what goes on here. It looks like I'm standing in the middle of nowhere, but I'm actually not. The stadium is right behind me, and what they have set up here is incredibly cool. It's a full course that goes basically through the backyard of the stadium. Insane. Somewhere up there we have some jumps, and back there is the finish, and basically here's like the finish line. I think there's always 2 signs. There's one there and there must be one a little bit later, but yeah, it's a chance for fans to be really, really close, and this is a chance for me, while I will wait for this to start, to have a little think about my 3 main takeaways from this week with Dacia here at the rally raid. Number 1 takeaway is Dacia did everything right with going into rally. And it's not just the fact that they are really strong in the championship and they have been able to celebrate numerous successes already, but it's also from the branding point of view. Everything is on point, and having witnessed that for a full week here on site now, I'm more certain of that than ever. Second, and it's my personal highlight, is the fact that Dacia is doing this thing with sustainable fuel. It is so important today more than ever that the topic of sustainable fuel is being taken serious and people actually start to understand it and start to want it. And the fact that a team like Dacia decides for themselves, all right, we will put in the effort, we will put in probably also money, because time is money and I don't know how else they are involved, but we will put in the effort and we will drive with sustainable fuel in order to prove a point, is incredible, and I will always cheer for that. And the third thing, rally is so cool. I mean, I knew it's cool, I've seen images, but it is so cool, and I say that knowing that I don't understand anything. This week has shown me that I don't understand anything. It is hard to understand, it is hard to follow, but this is what I'm going to try to do in Morocco. I will try to look at it more from a sport perspective, as in what does it take to do rally and how to understand it. But for now I know I don't know anything, and that's fine, because that's how life is. Sometimes you live and you learn, and I'm definitely willing to learn, and I so want to take you along, and I cannot wait for that. And this is definitely also the moment to say thank you. Thank you to Dacia Switzerland for allowing me to be part of something so cool and bringing you guys along for it. Thank you to the Dacia Sandriders team. You guys have been absolutely adorable and amazing. Without you being so welcoming to me, this wouldn't have been this positive experience that I had, and I'm so excited that we get to do this again in Morocco. And of course as well a thank you to Dacia Portugal, because they provided me with this Dacia Bigster that I've been driving the whole week. And I couldn't have done that like in a proper way with the right car without their help. So thank you so much for everyone who was involved. I'm kind of sad that this week is already over, but I'm so excited that I get to be back in Morocco. And let's just enjoy the last few moments of this week together with the help of some really nice images.
Portugal, importantes pontos também para o campeonato.